Sanibona bafethu uVane so I'm back again with indaba zebhola ezenzeleke la eSouth Africa. Indaba ke leseyishisayo esiyitholile namhlanje. Yabo, ungangitshela wena uzizwa kanjani ngazo kodwa ke ngizoqala nje ngeindaba esizizwile. Kuthiwa nje iBafana Bafana bafethu isidrophiwe. iBafana Bafana ayisekho kuma team akhona la eAfrica. Top 10 teams akhona la eAfrica ayisekho ku number 10. Kuthiwa iFIFA idrope from 69 not to 69 per se, from 59 until 61 in the latest FIFA rankings. Kuma FIFA rankings wethu bafethu asekho ku number 10 because mase ubheke ku number 10 lapha kuma team avelele awo top 10. Number 1 iMorocco, number 2 iSenegal, number 3 Egypt, number 4 iAlgeria, number 5 iNigeria. I don't know how, but number 6 iTunisia, understandable. Number 7 Ivory Coast. I don't know why but number 7, maybe number 5 bungayenza sense. Mase uthi number 8 iMali, number 9 iDR Congo, mase kuthi number 10 ibani Cameroon. Wangitshela ke wena uzizwa kanjani ngalama rankings lawa? To me I don't think it makes sense because iBafana Bafana yabo in the last 5 games iBafana Bafana ikakazi idliwe. Yabo yes ama draws ibe nawo but in the last 5 games, even in the last 8 games I don't remember iBafana Bafana idliwe bafethu. Angazi indaba kwenzakalani ngalama rankings lawa but ke ngibazwile abantu besho ukuthi the reason why iBafana Bafana yehlile is because they are playing with ama teams are ranked vele low. That is the reason why nabo i-ranking yabo yehla because badlala nama team value alu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje bafethu kushayiwe ke namhlanje i-draw. Le draw eshayiwe ade kushawa i-draw yama Nedbank Cup qualifiers. Ma Nedbank Cup qualifiers uthola nje iMilford idlala against iBaroka, Cape Town City idlala against Abington City, Hungry Lions versus Evander FC, Leinsterford versus Amatax, Lerumo versus Milden Wanderers, Kruger United versus Highbury, Masakoti Black Leopards versus Kaizer Stars, The Bees FC versus Gomora United. So iwona ke lama team lawa azotholana phezulu bafethu ukuze bathole ukuthi bazoqhathwa noba phezulu. Yabo, la kuzohlungwa ama team awu8. Kuzohlungwa nje ama team awu8 bazobhekana phezulu nama team akhona lapha ku PSL. Yabo, wangitshela ke wena ngokwakho imaphi ama team la azokwazi ukuthi athole ithuba lokuthi ayo participate ku Nedbank Cup. Kwezinye izindaba ehamba phambili ke bafethu kwi-Carling Knockout nabo coach abathathu abavelele abavotelwayo njengamanje. Unalo ithuba lokuthi uvotele ucoach ozokwazi ukuthi acoache i-Carling All Stars. Carling All Stars team ukele i-team bafethu esijwayele ukuyibona each and every time mase kuphele i-Carling Knockout. I-team ezoyiwina i-Carling Knockout isuke izodlala ne-Carling All Stars. Ngiyakhumbula uJose Rivero wacoacha amahlandla amabili ecoacha i-Carling All Stars wawina uMawuthula ngomahlandla lawo. So this time sizobona phakathi kwalabo coach abathathu ubani ozoba ucoach we-Carling All Stars. I know Abdeslam Wadu uyena ozoyiwina i-Carling Knockout. Njengoba ezoyiwina nje i-Carling Knockout akusiyena ozoba ucoach. Uzoba ucoach between the two coaches okuMichael Cardoso noManqoba Mnqithi. But I see uManqoba Mnqithi elithola la ivote but ke wona wangitshela ukuthi ubani ozovotelwa kakhulu ocoach. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje bafethu iCAF isimsanctionile lo coach lo bafethu igama lakhe uGuy Busaka. uGuy Busaka uzoseva i6 match suspension. 6 match suspension kwi-CAF competitions. Umjida ke ufanwe imali engango 344,000 ngokufela to comply with the decision of CAF disciplinary board. Bamfayinile. Orlando Pirates ebitshela ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi ibuyele kwi-CAF Champions League ngenxa yale case yalo baba la uGuy Busaka but ke ayenzanga lokho iCAF. Yenze njani na? Ifine umdlali yafina ucoach. So ngiyazi abe khona umdlali okumukoko ususpendiwe for i2 match ban yena mase kuthi uGuy Busaka yena ususpendwe for ama games awu6 eCAF. So ngiyazi abe khona nje kuma games eCAF Champions League kuma group stages. I don't think futhi iLimpopo FC izokwazi ukuthi ikhuphuke idlulele kuma knockout rounds. So I don't think uzokwazi ukuthi abe nayo team yakhe iyoziphume iLimpopo engayibonanga. Kwezinye izindaba ngisakuyona nje i-Carling Knockout. I-Carling Knockout ke bafethu not i-Carling Knockout per se but i-Carling Cup. I-Carling Cup izodlalwa phi? Izodlala le eMos Mabhida ngomhla ka 13 December. izodlala mhla 13 December bafethu. So between Orlando Pirates or iMarumo Gallants izofacea iCarling All Stars le eMoses Mabhida. Isinqumo esihleke lesithathu bafethu esithathwe uCarling Black Label ukuthi bayithathe igame bazoyiletha le eMoses Mabhida because siyazi Orlando Pirates ejwayele ukuthi isold out ishawo sold out. Njoba nje izofika iPirates izodlala against iCarling All Stars izobe usold out leyo game leyo. Ngabe ke iyiphi team ezona between iOrlando Pirates versus iMarumo Gallants kwiCarling knockout final ezobidlalwa le eMbombela? Ungangitshela wona kuma comments ukuthi ngabe yiphi team ezowina. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uMicho the former Orlando Pirates coach bafethu usejoinile iclub yase-Algeria. Mase nibheke nje bafethu coach abacoacha e-Algeria right now. uRoland Mgwena the former Orlando Pirates, Joseph Zimbawa the former Orlando Pirates, mase kuthi uSaid Ramovich lo ube coach iTS Galaxy, mase kube uMicho bafethu. iPSL ngiyayibona ukuthi iPSL yenzani lapha. Ngiyayibona ukuthi iPSL kwiRaja Casablanca khona bani? Kukhona ucoach lo becoacha la eSouth Africa okubani? uFaldu Davids bafethu. uFaldu Davids ule kwiRaja Casablanca right now. Naye use-Algeria. Ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakala. Ibhola la eSouth Africa liyakhuphuka kancane. Zangijabulisa ke indaba lezi bafethu. Ungangitshela wena iziphi indaba ezikujabulisile namhlanje?